What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys like a little trick that I use to keep my car clean. Well, keep my truck clean. So either one, if you have a car or a truck, during like the winter time, most of the time your cars get dirty and stuff like that from like the salt and all the dirt on the road. So what I normally usually do, if you do this like at least like few times a week, not even few times, like a couple times a week, I guarantee you, yo, your car will stay clean. It will look like you wash your car every day. So just like an easy, simple step, very cheap. There's not anything crazy you gotta do. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I use first. So this right here, this is what I use. You guys can see. All right, so this is what I use. You could get this from like AutoZone. You could get it from like the dollar store, pretty much Walmart, anywhere that have, you know, car stuff. So what I normally do whenever I get my car a wash, what I normally do is I wipe it down. It's fine if you don't gotta wipe it down perfect. Like you could still have a little bit of water and stuff sitting on it, and you could spray this on. You just give it like 2 sprays. Hold on, I gotta open that up. So yeah, what I normally do, give it like 2 sprays, and then you would, like, what I would recommend you for like your towel, if you're using a towel, always make sure you get like a microfiber. This is what I use. So by the way, so I use my rags like 2 times. Whenever I use it, I throw it out and grab a new one. But that's just me. That's something I do. But yeah, what I normally do is just spray it and wipe down. That's it. Spray and wipe down. Like I'm not even gonna sit here and try to make some ish up to get some views and stuff or likes. Like this stuff right here, yo, I've been using this for such a long time on my last car I had, and I'll tell you, this stuff really keep your car clean. Like you can see me right now. You see how clean that is? And the last time I washed my car was about last week Saturday. And as you can see, I just pull up at the car wash. I'm gonna give you guys a little walk. I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around, and so you guys can see. Like I didn't even wash my car. Look on the floor. See how dry it is? I didn't even wash my car at all. So what I normally do, like I said, I do this like 2 to 3 times a week. Just spray my car, keep it nice and waxed clean, and that's about it. And I guarantee you, yo, your car gonna look clean every time. And it's also one good tip I'll tell you guys. Like, it's also good for you to try to keep your car, you know, nice and waxed down. If you have like an older car like me, like my car is a 2006, rust is one thing that for some reason it's like that shit is, it's like a non-stop thing. Somehow you can see like that shit gonna try to grow in some kind of way. But doing this most of the time help the paint job and stuff like that. And this is one thing right here I use on my tires. Like I said, I don't do nothing. I'm not one of them type people that do all that extra stuff to clean your car. What I normally do, all I gotta do is just wash my tires off. Like my tires is clean right now, so if I want to spray this on, I can just spray it on, and that's about it. Like for me, this is what worked best. And if you're looking to keep your car clean, or if you like me, you know, you one of them type people who just doesn't like driving a dirty car, yeah, I recommend you doing this, getting one of these for your tires, and then also getting one of these right here. Also getting one of these for your car. So what you want to do is, like, you really don't have to spray like a crazy amount. That's the crazy part. So I'm about to show you guys right now. I'm about to go around my whole car, show you guys exactly how it's gonna come out. All right, so stay tuned.
I like it, but it's not okay. What
Yeah, guys. So this is what I'm saying. Like, I really don't put that much effort into cleaning my car, yo. Like, that stuff really works. I'm not trying to sit here and try to cap or anything, but this stuff, yo, this stuff really worked. Here, this stuff right here, this stuff really worked. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I tried using before compared to this right here. As you can see, it's a spray on wax. So this is what I was using before, and using this, like, this stuff really don't work as much as the other stuff I used. So I just stopped using it and stuff like that. But due to the fact that it's still gonna rain and stuff like that, I was going through the whole car, but I just did like both sides. So I really didn't do like 100% job. I did like I'll say 85, 80%. So yeah, as you can see how clean my car is. Like, this stuff really worked, yo. You see how clean that is, yo. I'm not even doing anything crazy to my camera, yo. This shit is clean. Subscribe to my channel if it's your first time watching. Peace out. Thank you.